So for you guys to lock your credit file, you have to call each company directly. So Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you have to call them directly, or you can do it on their website. So like with Equifax, I do theirs right on the website. I do TransUnion's right on the website, and then also with Experian, I have the app, so I just do it right through the app. So if you want to lock or unlock it, you have to do it right through that credit bureau. You cannot just say, oh, do all three of them. That's not how it's going to work. You're going to want to do it directly. If somebody said they can do it, all three of them for you, they probably send a letter in asking for them to lock it. But it's just quicker and faster if you can just do it right through the app or right through the online website. And you can always have access. You can literally lock it and unlock it. Like unlock it, apply for something, come back and lock it. I sometimes like to say, hey, lock it into this time because I'm going to be during that time applying for a lot of credit cards. So I just say, hey, for the next 4 days, keep it unlocked. After that, automatically lock it. That way I don't have to think, ooh, did I go back and lock it? It's going to automatically lock. Now, let me show you guys what I mean by that. So like if you go to like the Equifax website, you can just log in and you can lock it and unlock it right through the website. So your credit report is locked. You can lock it and unlock it right through the website. So definitely get Equifax, go to TransUnion, and then also for Experian, you can get that Experian app, and then you can lock it right through